sit back up in your chair. Yeah. Underneath your chair, you're going to find a key to that brand new four-wheeler. I should mention that from this point forward, anytime they do open their eyes, they will be in what's called a somnambulistic state, which is a state where they can open their eyes. They'll be in all over the world. They'll have no idea that you all are out there, or that you just won't make any difference at all. So on the count of three, I'm going to have to sit back up, eyes open. Underneath their chairs, they're going to find the keys to this four-wheeler. Now, if you're a person who's never driven one, or maybe not particularly comfortable driving things like that, that's okay. You just grab a hold of the weight to the person next to you and let them do the driving. Otherwise, they're in charge of this thing. These things have about 5 times more power. In fact, we're not even sure. They may have so much power, we're not even able to release them. We're not really sure. So on the count of 3, sitting back up, eyes open, underneath your chair, grab the key so we can take this thing for a spin and see what this thing is like. 1, 2, 3. Get your chair. You're getting your keys out from underneath your benches there. Get the key, put the key into the ignition. Put the key into the ignition, I said. Put the key's not going into the ignition for some reason. The key is not going in. We'll work it a little bit. The key's not going into the ignition. For some reason, the key is not going in. If you can't get started driving, you're going to take this thing for a drive. But if you can't get it for a drive, what are we going to do? This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. Put the key into the ignition, folks. I said, put it in, and it's not going. Wait a minute. There's 2 keys to the other key. It's the other key. All right, put the key in the ignition. All right, let's see. We give it a little bit of gas. And let's see if we get this thing started. Push the car. He took your key. Yeah, let's look it up. There you go. Use that key. It's a good thing. Yeah. Because I'm going to be watching you. What's that? I didn't know. My key didn't work, so I wanted to pray. Did it work on yours? I guess it's not going to mix up. What's that? It's your fault. Okay, all right. Okay, you got it. Yeah, all right. All right, well, we give it a little bit of time now. Give it some gas. If you have blood a little bit, give it full throttle. Give it full throttle. Let's see if we can get this thing started here. Okay, got the key in it. Ready? The power of that thing. Put it in first gear. Take it down the road. Curve it a little bit to the left. Straighten it up. A little bit curve to the right. Straighten it up. Leave it a little bit, a little bit of a curve to the left. Up a little bit of a hill. A little bit of a curve to the right. Straighten it up. Big curve to the left. Big curve to the left. Straighten it up. Straighten it up. All right. Straighten it up. And across the cornfield. Straighten it up again. And across the ditch. Up a little bit of a hill. Back down the other side. Straighten it up. What's that going by on the left? Something just passed you on the left. Something just passed you on the left. What was it? What was it? You just lost your front wheel. You just lost your front wheel. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. It's okay. It's okay. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. It's a three-wheeler. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's a three-wheeler. Keep it going there. Yeah. That's all right. You're doing fine. You're doing great. You got to get it out there. You know what? There's a whole swarm of bugs ahead. Put over your eyes. I need your face. I need your hair. I need your feet. Get it up. 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 harder there. And, you know, just bring your four-wheeler right on up here. That's right. Bring your four-wheeler right on over to that seat right over there. Yeah, there we go, right there. And it is hard pedaling there. Yeah, right there. That's harder. And harder. Stop! Don't move. You're at the top of the very top. It's very street off. Carefully look to the left. Carefully look to the left. Carefully look to the right. It's like the giant system. Roller coaster. You have to have it. Lean forward just a little bit and put your hands up there. There you go. There, come on. Keep straight. You're doing great. Good job. Good job. Keep it straight. Ladies and gentlemen, there's going to be a great big curve up ahead. It's a hairpin curve. So, you know what these hairpin curves are like? Because I've been on some over here in Oregon. Hit the brake, ladies and gentlemen. Hit the brake. Hit the brake like that. Hit the brake. Hit the brake. The brake don't seem to be working. Hit the brake. 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 You are 900 feet in the air. 800 feet. You are airborne. 700 feet in the air. Put your right hand up. Put your hand up. Put your hand down. You're flying. Check it out. There's a big old flock of birds off to the left there. Look at them. Leave a wingtip out of a little bit there. Yeah. And off to the right there, there's another flock of birds over there. We can tip it down and check them out. There you go. There we go, yeah. And then way up overhead, straight up overhead, there's a seagull floating along up there. Oh, you know, seagulls, you're right in the face. They got you right in the face. Wave it off. Wave it off. Get it out. That's all right. That's all right. Keep your hands out. Keep your wings out. Keep your wings out. Keep your wings out. That's right. Keep them flapping. Keep them flapping there. That's right there. And then we're going to have to find a spot to bring this big bird down somewhere. It's going to be important that we find a big sandy beach down there. And I have to try and find a spot. There's obstacles. There's all kinds of obstacles. There's people with umbrellas. There's all kinds of things down there. Look for a spot with the least intrusions there, the least obstacles, and then bring this thing down. We're down to 100, 90, 50, 30, 20, 10, 9, 5, 2, 1. Good job. Pat yourself on the back. Nice landing. All right, on the count of three, everybody get your way back down. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Give a big round of applause. They go way back down. Give a big applause right here. Give a round of applause right here. Okay.